Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Remote Desktop so your machine accepts connections. Open Settings, go to System then Remote Desktop, flip the toggle to On. Once done, Windows will display the PC name, write it down. Make sure your account is set as an allowed user, add users if needed. Also check sleep settings so the PC stays reachable. This initial setup opens the service and ensures your credentials and machine identity are ready for the next steps. Next, configure networking so remote clients can reach your PC. In Windows Defender Firewall, enable Remote Desktop for private and public profiles. This opens the necessary ports on the host. Assign a static local IP or DHCP reservation to the PC so port forwarding remains valid. On your router, forward TCP port 3389 to that static IP. Once complete, test local connectivity from another device on the same network to confirm the path is functional before attempting external access. Finally, connect using the Remote Desktop client. Enter the PC name for LAN links or your public IP when offsite, then authenticate with your Windows credentials. If the connection fails, verify port forwarding, firewall rules, and that the host is awake. If your ISB blocks port 3389, change the listening port on the host and update the router rule, or use a VPN to avoid forwarding. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a local device first, then incrementally expand outward to isolate where the failure occurs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.